Another beautiful morning. Good morning, by the way, at least on this side of the camera. It's almost high tide, and on 2 miles there is the isle called Noordenij. And yesterday I came over here and I decided to drop anchor. Despite the winds we had yesterday, 15 to in gusts 18 knots of wind, the lady is steady as a rock. So I have 35 meters of anchor chain out, and when the tide comes in and the wind also, she takes another position, of course. And despite tide and wind from behind, because the tide pushed her that way, she is steady as a rock. Really, it amazed me. So I thought, wow, this is something. Because when I am on fresh water, when she's behind the anchor in 3-4 meters, she always does this. There's an English word that I do not know at the moment whilst recording. And now, steady. Wow. We are heading for Helgoland. A 55-mile journey. The last days I learned that my average speed running on one engine gives me a speed of 5.6 nautical miles, knots, per hour, and the fuel burn on one engine at 1850 RPM is 11 liters. I also tried to run on 2 engines, and then the speed was 6.8, and the calculation is clear. The fuel burn is 22 liters per hour. So I decided for sure, and I've said that before and I have done that many times, I will run on one engine. So I will pick up the hook and then we go out. We leave Noordenij on starboard, and I will stay close to the isles, and then when we are at the traffic zone, then I will cross that one in a 90 degrees, and we are heading for Helgoland. Yeah, and then all of a sudden you see the German warship Foxtrot 223 in front of you. Coffee time. Is it really? Yeah. 4 minutes to 10. Still have mergpijp cookies with me. And, well, you know the drill by now. No coffee or tea when I am at sea. And it's a little bit bumpy. Not that bad, but I have to try not to spill this delicious flavored water. So, grab something to drink and to eat. First, pause the video. Otherwise you would miss all the nice footage. But other than that, I would say cheers to you. Yeah. I ran on one engine from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock on the port engine, and then at 9 o'clock I changed engines and now we run on starboard engine. A little bit faster, 1900 RPM, then she runs very smooth, giving us a speed of 6.2, 6.3, 6.4 knots per hour. So we have some time to go. Whilst cruising at sea for 8, 9, 10, 11 hours, there's hardly anything to do other than keeping watch and plot your position in the log and keep an eye out for anything you could see. I already saw 3 seals dead, passing by, floating, passing by. Approximately this size, so I think it's a baby seal. Yeah. But other than that, there's not much to see. So I thought, well, perhaps I can do some editing. And when I'm sitting behind my desk over here, I can oversee everything. But I also found out after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes that I'm so concentrated on my images and on everything that happens on my screen that I almost forget what is happening outside. So I can imagine that if you are with 2 or more crew, then it is way easier to edit, and I stopped and I thought, okay, I have to take in account that I have 1 stop day extra, 1 day to cool down, and then on that day I will do the editing for my videos. In any other situation I am not able to edit. I have to pay attention to what is happening outside. Yep. On my plotter I found the boat called Mintis, and
H15 Mintis.
Mintis, this is Lady Lieselot, the boat behind the sailing boat you are calling.
Question, sir. If there is any means of communication with the sailing boat?
Yeah. Perhaps they are listening out. I think it is AI5.
That's right. H15
Let me try it in Dutch. Zeilboot. Je hebt 16. Mintis, there is no communication at the moment. I see that you are a survey boat and you need a half-mile CPA.
Affirmative, sir. I have a towing equipment behind me.
Yeah.
And I'm about to change my course on
Yeah.
the opposite direction. Just be aware and keep a safe distance, please. Thank you.
Okay, we keep an eye on you and safe distance. Thank you. Yeah, there is Mintis. Well, you heard it all. We recorded it live.
Aircraft, Papa Foxtrot 2180, Papa Foxtrot 2180, join my traffic.
Nee, mehr haben wir auch nicht gehört. Nur Hallo, Hallo hört mich jemand, ist so schief.
Alles klar, danke Sie wieder rein.
Gerne.
Mintis, this is the yacht on your port side. I horned to the sailboat and let him know that he has to change course, and he did.
Well noted.
Yeah, so the sailboat, he has AIS, but he is not listening out on 16. And Mintis is changing course, like he said. He goes in opposite direction. We were a little bit closer to, and I showed him my handheld VHF, and then he came on VHF 16 and we had a chat on 6, and he told me that his VHF dysfunctioned for a while, so he switched it off, and he was glad that I horned to inform him about this course change towards at least towards port and not to starboard. So that is fixed also. We left the traffic zone and now immediately we are in the anchorage of the Elbe Jade, and in a couple of miles we have the shipping lanes for the Elbe Jade approach. We have to cross that one in a 90 degrees and then it's heading for Helgoland. It's 12 o'clock right now. We already changed engine and yeah, I think that we will be there approximately 3 o'clock. Going north we had a speed of 6.3 knots. And now we are heading to east-northeast. The speed decreased to 5.4. Yeah, the current is to several directions and not in our benefit, unfortunately. But 2 o'clock, we have high water. Within an hour, it's 1 o'clock then, I think that we can benefit the tidal current towards Helgoland. But yeah, we have to get there anyway. So, who cares? I already said it, but now it is true. Welcome on the Isle Helgoland. When you come to fuel up, keep floating in the inner harbor. We are in the inner harbor now, and one sailboat is just getting ready on the pontoon. One is leaving, so I will float a little. If you look at the fishing boats, they have long lines because of the tidal effect. Oh, they are ready already. No. Yeah, it's a sailboat, so it's a small tank. And then they have extra jerry cans to fill up. No, they are not ready. Yeah, but the lady is bringing the hose back. You know? The thing. Yeah, it almost seems as if They are ready. Okay, nice. In case you never have seen me docking before, this is how you do it. This is how you do it, baby.
Sailing with for Harbour Master, here with us.
This is Lady Lieselot calling the Harbour Master. I am almost on the entrance of the harbour, requesting to come in.
Sailing with it, yeah, it's okay. You can come in here.
Okay, thank you very much. I will pick up some fresh water first, and then I will find a vessel of my size. Thank you very much. So, we have to double up, or three. We will have a threesome, or a foursome. On the West Kaye, there is fresh water, I read in the pilot. The Reach 2023 Nautical Almanac, my Bible. And yes, it is 2024 whilst recording, I know. And I do not use the tide tables in the almanac, because normally I can find them online. But all the information for all the ports, at least in Europe, is very useful in that almanac. Yeah. My boat is wrapped. So, do you have soft fenders? No. No, I don't have soft fenders. Well, perhaps you will find another spot, please. Helgoland, port control. Yeah, hello, sir. I am the yacht getting into the marina, but all the vessels are too lightweight for my boat. Is it okay if I moor on one of the mooring buoys? So I can go in front of Stortemelk of this Dutch boat. Nice. I am sailing single-handed. So, how do I manage the bollards? First things first. Yes. Oh, you know what I can do? I can moor next to a ladder. That is easier. Okay. If I face backwards with my starboard camera, then you can see that there is a huge tree. There's a tree on chains in the water. And I created special fenders for the NOK logs. I will show you. It looks like this. It's rubber and you hang it between the wood and the boat. Yeah. It's not fancy, very yellowish, but it works. Did you like this video? I guess so, because you watched until the end. Please let me know by the thumbs up. And how about this? Do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye.